Tesla vehicles use an electronic shifting system, unlike traditional cars. Neutral disengages the drive system, allowing the car to roll freely. It's used for towing, pushing, or diagnostics. Neutral prevents the motors from resisting movement. It's important to know that neutral mode enhances safety by reducing human error. Unlike traditional cars with mechanical gear shifters, Tesla vehicles use an electronic shifting system integrated into the touchscreen interface. Neutral mode disengages the drive system, which includes the electric motors and battery components shown here. This allows the vehicle to roll freely without power assistance, making it ideal for towing, pushing, or diagnostic purposes. The motors won't resist movement. Neutral mode enhances safety by reducing human error, as there's no physical lever to accidentally shift. First, ensure the vehicle is completely stopped with the park brake engaged and your foot firmly on the brake pedal. Then tap the touchscreen to navigate to controls, then driving, then towing. In older models, this may be under service. Next, select Enter Towing Mode and confirm using your PIN or biometric authentication. Finally, choose Neutral from the options. A confirmation icon will appear on the display. You can then slowly release the brake to allow the car to roll freely. Tesla's Software V13, released in Q2 2025, introduced a quick shift widget on the touchscreen for faster access to neutral mode. This innovation reduces the required steps from 5 to just 3, making the process much more user-friendly and efficient. The widget integrates directly into the touchscreen interface, as shown in these Tesla console displays. You can see how it provides quick access without navigating through multiple menus. Before V13, accessing neutral required 5 steps. With the quick shift widget, it's now just 3 steps, a significant improvement in efficiency. For hands-free operation during towing, Tesla has integrated voice command support. Simply say, "Hey Tesla, enter neutral mode," and the system will guide you through the authentication process. This feature enhances convenience and safety, allowing you to keep your hands on the wheel or focus on securing the vehicle. Post-2024, all Tesla models require biometric or PIN verification to engage neutral. This complies with regional safety regulations in the EU and US. The authentication prevents misuse, particularly in autonomous driving scenarios, and ensures that only authorized users can shift into neutral. To exit neutral mode in your Tesla, start by tapping Exit Towing Mode on the touchscreen interface. The car will then prompt you to select either drive or park mode. Choose the appropriate gear for your situation. Always ensure the vehicle is completely stationary and your foot remains firmly on the brake pedal when exiting neutral. This prevents any unexpected movement and maintains safety. Unlike traditional mechanical shifters, Tesla's electronic system makes exiting neutral quick and safe. Neutral mode in Tesla vehicles serves several practical purposes in real-world scenarios. One common use is emergency towing during natural disasters. In 2024, during Hurricane Ida recovery efforts, hundreds of Tesla owners utilized neutral mode to tow their vehicles out of flooded areas without damaging the electric motors. Commercial operations also benefit from neutral mode. Tesla semi-truck fleets regularly use it for maintenance towing, allowing vehicles to be moved without power while undergoing repairs. This has been shown to reduce downtime by as much as 20% compared to traditional towing methods. However, neutral mode requires proper safety precautions. A widely shared 2023 video demonstrated the risks when brakes aren't engaged. The vehicle can roll freely, potentially causing accidents. This incident led Tesla to improve safety warnings in their interface. Tesla engineer Elon Musk describes neutral mode as the company's safety net for situations requiring vehicle movement without motor assistance. Automotive experts commend its user-friendly design, particularly for those new to electric vehicles, though some recommend a simpler one-tap activation for upcoming software versions. Looking ahead, current trends indicate neutral mode will seamlessly integrate with Tesla's autopilot system, enabling autonomous roadside assistance where the vehicle can shift into neutral automatically during emergencies. Tesla is developing AI-driven diagnostics that will predict when neutral is required, such as for flat tires or towing, potentially automating the entire process through full self-driving version 2. However, Regulatory standards and safety certifications may postpone complete automation until around 2030. As Tesla advances its technology, neutral mode remains a key feature bridging manual control with future autonomous capabilities.